I'm Genevieve Sibaya. I'm a first-year college student at KCAST, taking the course Bachelor in Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. In this video tutorial, I will teach you on how to solve different problems from different topics covered from prelim, midterm, and final under the course of Math of Investment. So without further ado, let's start.
Our topics are ordinary and exact interest, ordinary annuity, and simple perpetuity. Ordinary and exact interest. Ordinary interest, the interest is computed with the denominator of 360. So take note, kapag ordinary interest, the denominator is always 360. Yung formula niya is nandyan sa baba, yung naka-blacken. An exact interest naman, the interest is computed with the denominator of 365. So, then yung formula niya is nandyan sa baba.
Take note, ordinary interest is greater than exact interest. When interest is not specified in any problem, if it is ordinary or exact, it is assumed as ordinary. In solving ordinary and exact interest, you need to familiarize the following notations, where P is the principal and peso, R is the rate or percent of the principal. Let's solve a problem.
Find the ordinary and exact interest on 3,750 for 75 days at 4 1/4% simple interest. So let's solve this one. Okay, that is the complete solution for that. So I will explain step by step. Okay, let's solve first the ordinary. Yan sa gilid, yung may LO. Okay, copy the sign LO, which is ordinary yan. And then, bring down your P, which is 3,750. And then, yung rate is nandyan, yung 4 1/4%. So, bakit nga ba decimal yung nilagay? Hindi mo siya ilalagay ng naka-percent form, kundi in decimal form. So, how to convert it? Nandyan sa baba, in step-by-step explanation niya. 1 divided by 4 is equal to 0.25. And then, you need to add the 4. That would be 4.25. To convert it, divide it by 100 to get the 0.0425. So, yan yung ilalagay mo dyan sa arm. Number of days, 75. And then, divided by 360 kasi ordinary. Interest yung hahanapin mo. Next, copy the sign. And then, bring down the 750 and then the rate. And then, number of days, you need to divide it by 360. So, yan yung magiging kalalabasan. Always, take note guys, in 4 decimal places. And then, pagkasunod nun is 5 and above, you need to round off. And then, if you're going to multiply that one, the ordinary interest is now 33.20 pesos. Take note, 2 decimal places, then pagkasunod niya is 5 and above, you need to round off. Let's move to exact interest. Same lang din siya ng step, pero yung difference lang niya is yung 365 na ginamit na denominator kasi exact interest na yung isosolve mo. So, copy your P and the R, number of days, divided by 365. Bring down mo ulit yung 3,750 and then yung R. Divide the number of days by 365. The answer would be 0.2055. So, always remember in the 4 decimal places. Okay, after you get that one, you need to multiply P and R and then yung number of days divided by 365. So, exact interest now is 32.75 pesos. So, that's how you solve the ordinary and exact interest. Ordinary annuity. An annuity in which the periodic payments is made at the end of each payment interval. So take note, the payment is made at the end of each payment interval. So that is ordinary annuity. amount and present value of ordinary annuity. So let's just focus on how to get amount and present value. Yung S is equal to RS, angle N at I is yan yung formula ng amount, and you need to refer to table 5. And then yung present value na formula naman is yan dyan. Yung A is equal to RA, angle N at I, table 6. So, and then sa baba, yung apat na yan, yung annually, semi-annually, quarterly, at monthly. You need to familiarize it. Kadalasan siya ay sunod ng word na compounded. Okay, compounded semi-annually, so yung MO is 2. Whereas compounded quarterly, yung MO is 4. Before we solve the problem, let us know this following notation. S is equal to sum of amount of an annuity. So, where A is the present value of an annuity. So, RS naman, periodic payment of the sum. RA, periodic payment of the present value. So, T mo is yan yung isa sa mga kailangan hanapin mo na term of an annuity, and yung R din, rate and annuity. So, N naman, gagamit mo din siya sa pagsosolve ng ordinary annuity. So, to get the N, you need to multiply the T by M. So, yung M naman is the number of conversion periods per year. Yung sa gilid, yung apat, yung annually, semi-annually, quarterly, at monthly. And I naman is the interest for conversion period. To get the I, you need to divide the R divided by M. Plus is yung AO, yan yung sign, tinatawag na ordinary annuity.
Let's solve a problem.
Find the amount and present value of an annuity of 650 pesos payable every end of 6 months for 16 years. If money is worth 5% compounded semi-annually. So, dyan sa baba yung given is yan yung hahanapin mo to solve the amount and present value of an annuity. Okay, yan yung complete solution niya. So, I will explain it step by step. So, R mo is 650. Yung rate is 5%. And then yung F is 2. Bakit naging 2? Kasi nga, compounded semi-annually. D mo naman, yung term mo is 16 years. And then yung I mo is 2 and 1/2%. So, bakit naging ganyan? So, 5 divided by 2, which is your R and N. And then magiging kalabasan yan is 2 and 1/2%. Okay, and multiply the T and M, so the answer would be 32. So, 16 times 2 equals 32. Okay, add the amount. Yung naka-blacken, yan yung formula ng amount. And then, bring down the S. And then, yung R mo is 650. Then, copy the S. Yung N mo naman is 32. Copy mo din. And copy the sign. And then, yung I mo is 2 and 1/2%. After makumpleto mo na yan, is hahanapin mo yung value ng N at saka I mo sa table 5 kasi amount yung hinahanap mo. Okay, so yung table of value is provided yan sa teacher nyo or instructor nyo. And then yung N at I niya, yung value niya is 48.150,278. And then pag nahanap mo na yung value, multiply it by R, which is 650. So, your amount is now 31,297.68 peso. So, always 2 decimal places, and then don't forget to round off. Then, sa present value naman is same lang din siya ng process sa paghahanap
Ang values.
but difference is that sa table 6 ka pupunta. So, 21.849178. And then multiply it. Present value would be now 14,201.97. So, don't forget to round off and put the peso sign. So, yan yung magiging itsura ng table of values. Simple perpetuity. The payment period aligns with the conversion or compounding period. So, in a simple perpetuity, guys, you need to find the present value only. Yan yung magiging formula mo nandyan sa baba. So, before we solve a problem, let us know the following notation. Where R, periodic payment, and last is the I. So, same lang din siya ng process. To get the I, you need to divide the R by M.
Let's solve a problem.
Find the present value of a perpetuity of 540 payable every end of 3 months. If the interest rate is 4.1% compounded quarterly. So, next slide tayo. Okay, given R is 540. Then, yung M mo naman is 4. Bakit naging 4? Kasi compounded quarterly. So, R naman is 4.5%. Bago makuha mo yung I is you need to divide the R by M. So, to get the I, you need to divide the R by M. So, 4.5% divided by 4, the answer would be 1.18% or 1.125. So, ang ilalagay mo sa solution mo is hindi naka-percent form kundi decimal form. So, yung 1.125 is divide it by 100 to get the decimal form. That would be 0.01125. Okay, let's solve. Okay, copy the formula. Then, bring down. And then, yung R mo is 540 divided by I, which is 0.01125. And then, pag natapos mo nang kunin yung R tsaka I mo, divide it. And then, yung answer niya is 48,000 pesos. So, bakit may 0.00? Kasi, 2 decimal places tayo. And then, pag wala siyang kasunod, is lagyan mo na lang siya ng 0.00. Take note, pag yung kasunod niya is 5 pataas, you need to round off. Forget to put a peso sign. So that's it. That's how you solve simple perpetuity.